Jamaica has started producing what it mines. A new era under Andrew Holness. Hello again, everyone. It's Skywalker. Welcome back to my channel. For decades, Jamaica mined bauxite and shipped it raw. We watch others refine it, profit from it, and build empires. But under Andrew Holness, something shifted. Jamaica is no longer just digging. We are designing. This shift under Andrew Holness government is refining alumina locally. It's a move toward industrial sovereignty. This led to a 68% increase in earnings and proves that value added production works. Jobs, training, and technology are ripple effects of keeping the value chain at home. This is looking good. It isn't just economics, it's emancipation as well. Wholeness didn't just start development, he engineered it. What are the strategic implications? Jamaica enters the global alumina market as a producer, not just a supplier. It opens doors to green tech, battery manufacturing, and infrastructure partnerships. Diaspora investment becomes viable. Jamaica is now a platform, not just a place. And Wholeness is showing us what leadership looks like. Not just managing crisis, but building capacity. Not just surviving, but thriving. This isn't just a backside story, it's a blueprint for Jamaica's future. And Andrew Holness is the architect. If this reasoning resonates with you, don't just nod. Subscribe to Skywalker and help amplify the signal. Like the video, share it with one person who still thinks Jamaica can't rise because we are not just watching history, we are shaping it. Thanks for watching.